Thursday, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah unveiled the statue of Mahatma Gandhi of Vesauda in Telangana. This is news of Telangana.
AICC Working Committee meeting on Thursday in Belgavi. Leaders like Siddaramaiah, Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi and others conduct a Nava Satyagraha.
Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Thursday inaugurated the Memorial Hall of Ruwari Gangadhar Rao Deshpande of 1924 Congress session in Belgaum. The news of Belgaum.
Our Karnataka, our guarantee.
Fifth news is exit poll. About the exit poll, Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Exit poll survey BJP to advance.
After operation in Belgaum.
Yes,